Welcome back, everyone. So we are making this fine fabric. It's a flower fabric, and we are using it for top that we have puff sleeve. So please subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end, and also share it for others to see so that they too can see and watch. Please let's get started now. It's 1.5 years that we are using to make this top, and I will be spreading it like this. So let me spread it so that we'll start with it now. So this is it. So you can see it's a fine fabric that we are using to make this tie, and I want you to stay to the end so that you can see what we are going to achieve on this top. So it's a top. So I folded one part of it now, so I will cut it out now, so that we'll start with the one that I've cut out for the measurement. So that is my 4 piece now that I've folded out now, the front and the back piece. So I will go ahead now to measure the width that we are using is 12.5 inches. Then to take the length, my length is 25 inches. So that is for my length for my top, 25 inches. So after that now we'll be marking from my shoulder to my chest line 8 inches. Then I will continue to mark it 8 inches, and then I will roll it. So after that I will be marking my shoulder. So my shoulder divided by 2, and my shoulder is 16 inches. That will be 8 inches on our tape. So I'll continue to mark my 8 inches, and then I will use my ruler also to roll it out like this. So that is for my shoulder. So after that I will be marking my neckline now. So my neckline is 3 inches. So that is my 3 inches. Coming down to the neckline, the depth, I will also go ahead and mark 2.5 inches. I want it very little, a baby neckline. That's what I need on the neck. So I will go ahead now to slope my shoulder by ½ inch. That is marking ½ inch, and then slope it like this. So then I will be marking my bust now. So my bust is 40 inches divided by 4. That will give us 10 inches on our tape, and then adding my sewing allowance 2 inches. So I'll also place my tape and mark 2 inches to get my armhole curve. So that is it. I'm using my curve ruler to curve it like this. So that is it. So I've gotten that. So coming to the down part of it, that is my waist. So I will be marking 36 inches, 36 inches, adding 2 inches or so for the sewing allowance. So I've done with that. So as for my neck line for the back, the depth, I will bring it down by 1 inch, and then also curve it like this. It's a round neck. So then we'll connect all the marks together now. That is to join all the marks. So I will start from my bust like this, connecting it down to the waistline there. So that is it. So I've done that now. So please watch my video down to the end, and if you don't understand, rewatch it. That's why I'm still emphasizing it, that you should watch it down to the end, and also share it for others to see. So we're done with our measurement now. So the next step now is to cut it out now. So let me do that and cut it out. Cutting it now. So this starting from the down part of it like this to cut it out. So after that now I will be cutting the sleeve also, and please stay tuned so that I will cut the sleeve and you can see it also. So for the neck is what I'm cutting now. So that is it. So this I'm going to go and sew it now. So as for the front neckline, you can see the way I raise it up so that I will now go and cut the back part of it. So it's the front now that I cut out now. So that is my front neck now. So I want the neck to come up a bit. It's a baby neck that we are making with this fine fabric. So I've done with that. And you may ask, since the neck is small like this, and we don't have zip, so what I will do, I will take away this one, that is the front part of it, and then for the back part, I'm going to place my tape like this to open it, that is to use my scissors to cut it out, marking 3 inches for the opening. So why doing that? Because of how we are going to wear it, so that you can pass the neck. That is why we are doing that, remember. So that is my opening. So as it has opened like this now, so it can be able to pass the neck. So we'll go and sew it now. So this is it now. So this is the sleeve now. So I'm going to fold it like this and refold it again to cut the 2 sleeve out. So this is it now. So now I will be taking my length. So I will place my tape and take my length. The length that I'm having here is 20.5 inches. So that is my 20.5 inches. And then what I folded here is 8.5 inches. So to bring down the armhole, I'll be marking 2 inches like this, and then curve it like this for the sleeve. So for the down part that will have that elastic, so I just want to shape it a little. So I'm placing it, marking 7 inches. Remember, it's 8 inches that we folded, so I'll just shape it a little. I don't want it to be too bogus. So just bring it like this and connect it to that 7 inches that we mark. So that is it. It's very simple. That is for the sleeve. So I've measured it out now. So I'll go and cut it now. That is, I'm cutting it now. Cutting it like this. So after that, the down part now is what I will go and stitch. After stitching it, we'll now use our elastic to pass it. So the down part now will now have that elastic bob. So that is this sleeve now. So here is the sleeve. So here is the upper part now. You can see the armhole curve, and this is the down that will just shape a little. So by the time we go and sew it and use our elastic to pass it, here will be puffed out. So I'm going to run my stitch now, and we call it case. So this is my safety pin and my elastic that I will use and pass on this case now. So this I'm putting it now so that it will buff out. So this is it. So after doing that now, like after fixing it, I will stitch it to the body, like the top. So this is how you need to pass it. You can see that it has started forming it. So I'll just fix it and draw it out, and it will puff out. So that is it now. You can see. So let me cut out the elastic. Cut it out now, you can see. So this one of the sleeve now. So the 2 sleeve will be like this. So I'm just showing the one of it now that we just passed with elastic now. So I'll fix it now. The top now, so I want to join it. So I will be starting with my measurement from the bust side. My bust is 40. So this is our 40. So count the one that remain out now. So it's 3 that remain out, 1, 2, 3. So that means I will be marking 1.5 inch on this side, coming to this side also 1.5 inches. So while the waist is 36 inches, so this is our 36 inches. So we count the one that remain out too. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means it will be 2 inches for the sewing allowance. Coming to this side of it too, 2 inches. Then we'll connect the mark together and go and stitch. So this is it. So I will now take it to the machine to go and stitch the front and the back, and then we'll now face our sleeve. Join the top now, so let me face the sleeve now to the armhole side. So this is how to face your sleeve. So you'll be facing it around the armhole. So I'm just showing you how to do it. So this is what I'm going to do on the machine to go and face it around the armhole, and the sleeve will be formed, and we'll now have our top ready. So this is how it will be. So our top is ready, as you can see. So this is the outcome of the top. You can see the sleeve here, the puff sleeve at the down part for the sleeve, and this is the baby neck too. So this is the outcome of the top. So very lovely. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done that, and watch my video down to the end. Share it for others to see so that they too can see and watch. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.